there, it's Amela with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful mascara that I recently bought and I highly recommend. So this one is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Perfect Strokes Universal Volumize Mascara Black. So I love this mascara for a lot of reasons, and the first one is the color. It has a beautiful color, black. I love when my eyelashes look natural, so I really appreciate this mascara because my eyelashes, they have a lot of volume, so that's something that I like. Another thing that I like is that it doesn't matter if I scratch my eyes by mistake, my mascara will not smudge. So that's something that's very important when it comes to buying a mascara, and this is something that this mascara specifically has. It will not smudge, and at the same time it's easy to take off, so at the time of washing your face it will come off very easy. So if you are looking for the perfect mascara, I highly recommend this one. This is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. I love it so much and I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.